How to use AI to learn music. Are you a music enthusiast looking to learn how to play an instrument or improve your skills? In this video, we'll show you how to use artificial intelligence, AI, to learn music and improve your skills in a fun and engaging way. There are several AI-powered music learning apps available that can help you learn a new instrument or improve your skills. These apps use machine learning algorithms to provide personalized lessons, real-time feedback, and customized practice routines. These apps use your performance data to track your progress and adjust lessons based on your learning style and skill level. They can also provide visual and audio cues to help you identify areas that need improvement and adjust your playing accordingly. Another way to use AI in music is through music composition software. These software programs use AI to generate original melodies, harmonies, and rhythms based on your inputs. You can use these software programs to experiment with different sounds, styles, and genres and generate new ideas for your music compositions. Finally, there are AI-powered music teachers available that can help you learn music in a more interactive and engaging way. These teachers use natural language processing and machine learning to understand your musical goals, preferences, and learning style and provide personalized lessons and feedback. They can also help you with music theory, composition, and arrangement, and provide guidance on how to improve your playing and performance. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, AI-powered music learning tools can help you take your skills to the next level. Try out these tools and let us know in the comments below how they've helped you improve your music skills.